A big disappointment for shoppers in Hendricks County as Kroger pulls out of plans to turn an old marsh into a grocery store. Our TV6 reporter Kara Kinney is digging into what happened, and she joins us live from the old marsh location on East Main Street in Brownsburg.
That's right, Erica. This Brownsburg Marsh location has been closed for a year, and shoppers and town council members have been hopeful that it would reopen sometime this year as a Kroger store. But we've learned that's not going to happen. In fact, town council member Brian Jessen said he learned when residents told him about this sign right here, this leasing sign that was put up just a few weeks ago. Now, Kroger announced in July 2017 that it would be renovating and reopening 7 old Marsh stores, including this one on East Main Street in Brownsburg. But Kroger has decided not to do that. Instead, they will be improving the existing store on North Green Street. Town council member Brian Jessen is concerned because the town has no grocery options for people who live on the south side of Brownsburg, and he's upset because of how it all went down.
There was a lot of good communication between us and Kroger as this got started, but then it kind of fell apart where we were the last ones that seemed to know that they had changed their decision on what they wanted to do with the store. I wish they would have picked up the phone and talked to us more.
Now, the plan is to improve technology in the existing Brownsburg store by adding new natural foods and extra space in dairy. As for the old Marsh store, Kroger says its real estate specialists are looking at options for the building. Kroger points out they've successfully added 5 former Marsh stores to their family, and they plan to open another one next week in Muncie. Of course, people in Brownsburg want to know why they are not next in line. Now, the town of Brownsburg says they are looking for other grocery options to bring to town, including for this location, but also other locations in town as well, including the newly revamped Ronald Reagan Parkway. We're live in Brownsburg. Kara Kinney, RTV6.